I work for a company called Givaudan, and this company is started in Switzerland. We are a global company, and we are in the flavors and fragrance industry. We have these legacy ERPs. Some of them are running on old mainframes. So the idea is we wanted to migrate the transactional data that were on these ERPs to the archive server. And for that, we met some very smart guys from OpenText who told us that we have a tool for that, OTIC. And then, so we decided to buy that tool. So it's fully in line with the strategy we had. So now, for each ERP that we want to decommission, we're going to do a project to analyze what's inside. And country by country, the requests might be different about how much time you need to keep things. So then you look at the data by area: finance, general ledger, sales order management, purchasing, and so on. And you do with the business an analysis of what needs to be kept and for how long. Then in OTIC, we write the scripts to pull the data out of the legacy system. We write the transformation rules, and then on the fly, it's going to push the result into content server, all filed, creating the file plan, all the attributes, everything is done. And then once all is there, we just have to train the users to retrieve their content using the search. That often is rated easier to read than the previous legacy system. They say, oh wow, it looks nicer than before. And then they have the information there. We have that to do more than 30 times because we have factories all around the world that we're using isolated solutions. So they move to SAP single instance, but now we have to decommission all the legacy systems that are sometimes very different from one plant to another. In some cases, the return on investment is very good because the solution is hosted by a vendor, and we have a monthly fee to pay for the run of this. So once we get all the data out of there, it's very simple to calculate. You stop paying those bills, and you're done. So that's I can tell you, my CIO is looking at that very carefully, and is also so that's a very good use case for a solution like that. Currently for Europe and North America, we're expecting something like 10 to 15 million records to be hosted in the archive server. And we know that the data is safe in the archive server, and our users are able to search it.